The story begins in the middle of the dense forest where an abandoned house can be seen. A group of teenagers went inside the house to explore it. There was something unusual inside the mansion. They were filled with dust, cobwebs, and creaking doors. The windows were dark and the shadows split multiple trees. Then suddenly, a sound of footsteps came from the passage door. Everyone pointed their torch in the direction. They saw someone, its presence startled them. With fear inside their heart, they started to run and discovered an underground tunnel. They rushed inside the tunnel. They were looking for an escape. When they reached the end of the tunnel, they saw an underground basement which at first seemed to be a relief. But then suddenly everything began to glow. A cage could be seen. Something was trying to come outside the cage. After seeing all these horrific scenes, the teens started to run towards the exit. Then they felt something came and engulfed them.